Welcome to JH. Today we're taking a look at rawfitness.co.uk, a website dedicated to selling home gym equipment like treadmills, dumbbells, and resistance bands. Because nothing says, "I'm definitely going to work out," quite like buying a massive machine that will inevitably become a very expensive clothes rack. They even throw in a 1-year warranty, which is a nice touch for those of us who plan on actually using the gear for more than a week. But the real question is whether this site is actually legitimate or just a fancy front for a disappearing act. One positive sign is that Reka Fitness actually maintains its own Amazon store. This is a solid green flag because Amazon's rules are stricter than a high school librarian, offering you a layer of protection and a safety net if you'd rather not give your details directly to a news site. We also checked their domain registration and found it's been active since mid-2023. In the world of fly-by-night internet scams, surviving for over a year is basically a lifetime achievement award. It shows the owners are at least serious enough to keep the lights on. The site also provides a physical address and a direct email for customer support, which is always reassuring. It's much better than the usual "Contact Us" form that leads straight into a digital black hole. However, when we looked for user feedback, things got a bit quiet, maybe a little too quiet. There are no reviews on their own website, and their Trustpilot profile features exactly one 5-star review. While that one customer is clearly living their best life with fast delivery and low prices, a single review is about as statistically significant as a coin toss. Even more surprising is the total silence on Reddit. Usually, if a brand exists, there's at least one person complaining about it or praising it in a random thread, but Reka Fitness is a ghost town. On paper, they look legitimate thanks to their Amazon presence and physical location, but the lack of independent feedback means you're essentially acting as a pioneer. If you're tempted by their prices, proceed with caution. Maybe start with a small order or stick to their Amazon store for that extra peace of mind. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.